How and where to tag clothes for back on the rack. At our sale, we accept both tagging guns or safety pins to attach to the tag to the clothing item. First, let's talk about tagging guns. If you are tagging a lot of clothing items and plan to consign at the sale for multiple years, we highly suggest purchasing a tagging gun. We only use fine tagging guns at our sale. It's always best to use a cardstock so your tags have a better chance of staying on the item and not falling off. Poke the gun through the tag and then poke the gun through the garment. We only accept tagging gun items in the following places: at the armpit where the seams meet or through the back of the garment tag. Make sure to not poke through the fabric directly. This will leave a hole and the item won't be accepted. If you prefer to use a safety pin, please use thin gauge safety pins so that you don't leave holes in the item. You can pin the tag to the top right of the item when looking at the item or at the back of the garment tag. As a reminder, always make sure the hangers look like a question mark.